Can Asafoetida help relieve flatulence? Now, I know it's a slightly unparliamentary topic, but let's discuss it. First, let me give you the good news. Passing moderately odorless gas 10 to 20 times a day is considered perfectly normal for a healthy person. Thank you. A substance that helps reduce flatulence is called a carminative. And amongst the carminative herbs or spices, the king is Asafoetida or hing as it is called in India. Asafoetida is a resin extracted from a plant. It has a foul smell and bitter taste. It is used in Indian cooking as a spice. It has been used for thousands of years in Ayurveda, Unani, and many other medical sciences for various medical disorders. Now we'll see what modern science says about Asafoetida and this particular problem in digestion. The main bioactive compounds of Asafoetida are volatile oils which help relax the smooth gastrointestinal muscles, the muscles of the digestive tract. And this helps stimulate their contractions and helps food pass through the intestines faster. This particular motion called peristalsis of the intestines helps reduce bloating and also relieve the flatulence. And in this manner, Asafoetida works as an excellent carminative. Asafoetida also is an antispasmodic. It can help relieve stomach cramps. Now, in a particularly nasty medical condition called irritable bowel syndrome or IBS, stomach cramps is a common symptom. And by relieving such stomach cramps, Asafoetida helps in controlling symptoms of IBS. As a bonus, Asafoetida also has certain neuroprotective, memory enhancing, liver protective, digestive, antimicrobial, anti-cancer and blood pressure lowering properties. Now I have written an article in which I have given references to all these, so you can read it over here, or I am giving a link in the description below. Typical Indian cooking involves regular use of Asafoetida. One can also drink Asafoetida water for some of these problems. Take a glassful of water and mix a little Asafoetida in it. You can add black salt to mask the smell and the taste. Black salt and Asafoetida both help reduce digestive problems, so they actually go well together. I hope this information was useful to you. Here are some more videos that may be of interest. Thank you.